it's my lunch break again, and I didn't really feel like sitting in the break room. I actually peeked in the break room, and I'm like, there's too many people. I just don't feel like it. I don't really feel like... I saw, like, I mean, it's not like I'm not friends with anybody there. I am, and I've sat in the break room before, but I really don't like eating my lunch there. It's not like I'm an antisocial because I know everybody there, you know, it's my work. I just didn't feel like eating in there, okay? Anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. I got some... There's somebody coming. I can't talk. I thought I parked in a pretty much private spot, but I don't feel like talking because my windows are open. So I got a lunch at Walmart. I didn't know what I wanted to do in my lunch break. I never know. Like, I don't... Sometimes I like going home. Like I said, I didn't feel like sitting in the break room. I was going to, but then I'm like, nah, let me just sit outside. So I'll show you what I got for lunch. Oh, and I got Women's World Magazine. I'm going to look through that. I got this. I didn't know what to get. I was going to get an Italian sub, but I'm very picky about subs. I like to have mayo and that sub sauce on it. This is a Market Side barbecue chicken wrap. And I'm super starving. I got Honest Tea. And I got Doritos. So, let's open this up. Ooh. Okay. A lot of employees park here. Oh well. So, it is hot, of course, but whatever. So yeah, let's eat this, all right? And we'll talk. This is my lunch break hangout. So thanks for hanging out with me on my lunch break. I need to go grocery shopping though because I can't keep going out to eat and stuff like that. Ooh, look at this. The barbecue chicken wrap. Look at that. It has bacon. It has barbecue stuff. Let's eat it. Mmm. 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 Really good? Mmm. Super good. Mm. I did wash my hands. That's really good. Mmm. So, they have like these hot things you can eat. I had a hot chicken sandwich earlier. It was like a chicken breakfast slider. It's like a little piece of chicken in a biscuit or like a roll. Really good. But for those, I wish I had hot sauce and a pickle. I should get like a little fan that hooks up. A battery operated fan that I can just leave right here. So when I sit in the car, I at least have a hand, you know. I am going to do that. But yeah, I was going to sit in the break room. I was like, there's too many people. Sometimes, you know, you want to eat lunch by yourself. And for me, that's every day. Like, I talk to them and stuff. Yeah, when you're at work, you're working. But whatever. You know what I'm saying. I also got pepper, salt and pepper. I don't think I need salt, but pepper would be nice. Put some pepper on there. There we go. I don't know where they put the garbage pepper. Cause oh man, I'm a slob. Anyways, so yesterday, I went to get another tattoo. It's not colored in yet, it's just the outline. It's upside down. But when it's done like that, it looks really cool. So flamingo, I wanted it really 80s style. He didn't really do it the way I wanted him to, but whatever. Because I wanted it really 80s style, like a flamingo that has like real details in the face. I didn't really want that. I don't know what I wanted. I wanted 80s style, but you know, I wanted him to make the design. I trusted him. He did all my other tattoos. That one. But he always used black outline. Eventually I want to get this arm, and I want to get the Northern Lights. I'm going to get the galaxy that turns into the Northern Lights in the forest. And I want to get somebody that really knows how to make galaxies look, you know what I mean? But then I have that tattoo, so how far can it go? If it's going to start out here, it's just going to be the galaxy, then maybe the Northern Lights, and right here. This whole upper sleeve can be that. You know, definitely want to do that. That's just going to cost a lot of money. This looks so like, the way my bangs are cut, looks like Caesar or like the Catholic kind of monks, the way they cut their hair. Or it looks like a bowl cut, or it looks like Mo from the Three Stooges. It just looks like, look at them. My dad did a terrible job. Like, when you go to an actual hairstylist, they really look at your face. They know what they're doing. Like, they did a terrible job of that. Look at that. It looks like so. Oh, somebody's parking right next to me. Damn it. Oh my god. Maybe this is like one. I don't know. But, I wanted my bangs cut. What was I saying? Oh, I don't remember. I got distracted by that. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know. Baby doll bangs. Like really super short bangs, but it just doesn't look right to me. I don't know. I'm so mad at him. Why can't my dad just say, well, if you want bangs, so upset. Oh well. They will grow back, I know. And I can go to do something with my hair. Like I said, I'm gonna work on my appearance sometimes, you know, the way I look. Tattoos, definitely. Hair. I don't know. So anyways, I went and looked at, oh, they have crispy, like, onions in it, too. This is a lot. It's extra. I don't need to eat that. So I went to look and, like, read about Arbonne reviews and stuff. You know? What person I'm going out of the car? What if it's, like, one of the store managers? So funny, too, when I was at work. That lady, are you listening? She watching me because I was so funny. She's like, I know you from YouTube. I didn't get upset. I thought it was funny. I thought it was kind of cool, actually. Yeah, I'm making a video for YouTube. Yeah. So I looked at Research Arbonne. And I was reading stuff about it and how, you know, it's very, I'm going to talk about it when I'm not eating too. And I watched videos on it, like I wanted to see if people had talk about their experiences working for Arbonne or whatever. There's a really funny skit that I found called Doorbell or something like that, but it's really funny. They have a couple skits, just watch it. Go Working for Arbonne or Quit for Arbonne. It's like a skit, it's really funny. But yeah, apparently you have to invest into that, and I'm just not going to do that. I'm not going to invest into, come on. how much money do you get back? Anyways, it's such a pyramid scheme. I'm getting bored of cold chicken. I can eat more, but I'm saying I'll be fine if I just eat one half of the wrap, you know? So I have two wraps now. But I can always say that. Or whatever. So I feel like, you know, I definitely do need to go grocery shopping though. I was thinking about making like, cause I get hungry and I think about food I want to make. I wanted to make Cincinnati type spaghetti with chili and on top of spaghetti. And like a lot of cheese, a boatload of cheese on it. Also, I want to make Kibasian sauerkraut in the crock pot. Or however else I make them. I don't know what kind of clip to get. Like, let's check it out. I want to make barbecue chicken, grilled steaks. I have a grill now. I just need to get the propane tank. I have a tank. I need to exchange it. That's only like $15, so I'm gonna do that. Burrito. I want to eat healthy though. I really do. Like, you know, we're going to Florida soon. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I wish I had a really good camera that takes like really vivid, like, you know, like really nice photos. And I've been thinking a lot. My friend Moss wants me to go to Tahoe. I don't know. I want to go, but I have to take off again. I really am not trying to, I know I'm talking about Walmart. I'm not trying to move up in the company. I'm not trying to become a department manager. I'm not trying to be a CSM, anything. I've been cashier for the longest time. I'm not interested in staying in the company. I mean, it's because I like having weekends off. If I become, I tried to like request, I didn't actually ask anybody, but they wouldn't do, they would not deny, I mean, they would not approve me having Saturdays off. This is retail, so you have to work on the weekend, at least one day a weekend. You know? And I'm kind of like, I'm over it. I don't want to like, a lot of people that come to Walmart and they stay a long time, they don't stay as sorry, that's really loud. They don't stay as cashiers. You know what I mean? I feel like if that's a manager and he sees me like chatting, and I'm chatting all about, and he sees my YouTube channel, oh well. I'm not trying to stay there, and I'm actually thinking about quitting. But I need to get another option. I need another job. I can't just quit because I have bills, you know? Yeah, I have these are the bills I have. Rent every month. But my rent is housing income, you know? I mean, it's based off my income. If you don't work, it's actually it's $50 a month. But you have to show them that you're looking for a job. You can't just not work, you know? Or have it under a table job. I mean, you can, but whatever. Yeah, it's a lot of annoyance. I had that. I have phone bill, which isn't a lot. Landscape. This guy keeps coming to my work and saying he can get me a job, like doing office stuff and getting his appointments for a landscaping business, and he can pay me more than Walmart. I'm like, why are you coming to my job at trying to get me another job, really? Wow. Anyways, what else? I actually wonder if that's the guy that my friend used to work for. I have to ask her about that. I always get stuff behind my teeth. I have that, and I have student loans I pay back every month. Car insurance, which is expensive for me. I don't know why it's so expensive. Internet bill. And my credit cards. So I can't just quit and not pay my bills, you know? I need to work. I just don't want to stay at Walmart. I'm bored of it. I need to change. I've been at with Walmart for 2 years, you know? I'm done with that. Like, I really need to change. But I don't know what to do. I have 2 associate's degree in graphic and web design. I never got work in that. And also pharmacy technician. Like the bread is like stuck. Gross. Now my hands are all sticky. And I forgot to bring wipes. Why am I such an idiot? Yeah. I want a job that I'm proud of and good paying, you know? I don't want to be low income anymore. Yeah. I don't know. I want to change. That's all. I'm getting so bored of everything. I'm just getting bored of everything. I want to move too. I need to bring toothpicks. I always bring a toothbrush. I always bring toothbrush and stuff. I do have sanitizer, but I always brush my teeth after I eat, before I go back to work, because it helps me feel more fresh. Otherwise, you know, I don't take showers before work though, because I have to work. I have to get up so early that I don't take a shower. I'll take it the night before. But when I used to work later, I used to feel so refreshed and clean when I would take a shower before work, you know? And I'm always wearing my glasses. I don't really try to make myself look nice. Whatever. I'm gonna go. I've been talking for way too long. It's 17 minutes. But thanks for joining me once again on my lunch break chat. I have an hour lunch break, so I can just chill right now. Read some of my Women's World magazine. They have so many good recipes in here, and like I like it. Actually, I should cancel all my other subscriptions and just stay subscribed to this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.